Take a ride in the 2015 Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, fog lights, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, CD player, power windows, brake assist, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, UCONNECT hands-free group, tachometer, Sirius satellite radio, front reading lamps. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.